two paintings, same color palette, and I was forced to jump out of my comfort zone. Welcome to the Feel Good Pouring Station. This is Garrett Brown, and I'm glad to see you, baby. You're looking good. I hope you're feeling good. Let's paint. As you can see, I'm using a lot of leftover paints today, so I won't be able to tell you every color. I've actually had this video for a while and just hadn't gotten around to posting it, and then out of sight, out of mind. So I think you can still get some great things out of it, even not knowing all of the colors. As you can see, my paints are pretty thick. And one key thing about doing your flip cups or anything with a cup is not putting too much of the first color at the bottom. Because we know that what goes in first comes out last, and that is the majority of what you're going to see when you get to tilting. And depending on how much paint is left on the canvas, the more spinning and tilting you have to do just spreads out that center. If you watch my channel, you know that embellishing and I have a love-hate relationship. I love to see other people embellish, but it's just not my thing. But this particular painting forced me to embellish, as I had a little bit of a oopsie daisy, and so y'all, I couldn't recreate this if I tried. I can't wait for you to see it, and I want you to embrace your errors and mistakes and just go with it. Just go with it. After all, it's just paint. And I just wanted to take this opportunity to thank you so much for following my channel. I just reached 20,000 subscribers here on YouTube, and that means the world to me, and I have to continue to say thank you. And I have so many projects in the works. It's taking me a little time because I'm still working full time. I still do ministry full time. And so things take a little while, but just know we are embarking on another journey up to 50K. I'm ready to get there, and I'm ready to paint with you in person. You can come paint with me in Durham, North Carolina, July 26th to the 28th. And I will be releasing my 2025 schedule really soon. Maybe some other opportunities will come up for me to travel and paint as well. But I wanted to put that plug in your ear, and we're going to finish this thing out with the second painting. And you have to tell me in the comments, which colorway do you like the best? Same colors, we just reversed it all. Okay, so I want to know in the comments. I want to hear from YOU, baby. I just love the ribbons and how the gold and white kind of radiates out from the center. And then we have those gradient changes to our darker colors and eventually to our black. It'd be untruthful to say that this was intentional. I planned this. I love gradient changes, but I just had no clue it was going to look like this. this is a good technique to use up those leftover colors and kind of mix similar colors together. It does kind of play with the ratios a bit, as far as generally my paints are about a 2-to-1 ratio. So that's 2 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint with this technique. I have done anything from a 1-to-1 to a 3-to-1 over the years. So if you're looking at multiple videos, just know that the ratio varies, and that's going to change the results.